ECM knows how to take a simple concept and elevate it to an unrivaled level of quality. A grinder is simply a set of precisely milled steel burrs attached to a powerful motor with a singular, delicious purpose. ECM preserves that simplicity in the S-Automatik with a compact design that features smooth, curved stainless steel, plentiful performance, and one simple goal: great coffee. Hi, I'm Victoria from Clive Coffee, and today we're going to be giving you a brief overview of the ECM S-Automatik 64 espresso grinder. When unboxing this grinder, you'll no doubt notice its surprising and impressive density. The S-Automatik may be compact, but not a single cubic inch inside its steel shell is wasted. A look at the spec sheet makes this apparent. Neatly tucked inside are large 64mm flat steel burrs and a considerable 450-watt motor. Together, they'll produce a fluffy, consistent 20-gram dose in just over 8 seconds. Even when grinding fine enough for a concentrated ristretto, this translates directly to smooth, flavorful shots that will rival those of your favorite coffee shop, so that you can enjoy the same rich espresso, Americanos, and cappuccinos at home. The S-Automatik is designed first and foremost to pack a big punch in an impressively small footprint. It does so with aplomb, and the exceptional experience doesn't stop there. From the on-off switch, which is a physical metal toggle with an industrial feel, to the grind button, which provides a satisfying tactile click with each press, the hand-built quality of the S-Automatik shines. The grind adjustment knob is a solid piece of turned steel, lending every rotation a feeling of mechanical intentionality. Its digital timer makes getting repeatable doses easy and is neatly located near the bottom of the grinder. ECM puts thought and care into every detail because they know that a great espresso grinder actually has two purposes: to grind coffee for delicious espresso and to make something you're both excited to use every day and proud to own. Whether you're seeking out a beautiful grinder that'll match perfectly with your prized espresso machine, something compact and utilitarian, or something with prosumer power and reliability, the ECM S-Automatik might be your newest upgrade.